Hello everyone, this question appears in class 8th NCERT chapter of linear equation in one variable. This is fifth question of its exercise 2.2. So the question says that two numbers are in the ratio 5 is to 3. If they differ by 18, what are the numbers? So let the two number be 5x, 3x. Then हमें given है differ by 18. So 5x minus 3x is equal to 18. So 2x is equal to 18. So x is equal to 18 by 2 is equal to 9. So हमें नंबर फाइंड आउट करने हैं. So फर्स्ट नंबर हो जाएगा, फर्स्ट नंबर इज इक्वल टू 5x इज इक्वल टू 5 इंटू 9 इज इक्वल टू 45. देन सेकेंड नंबर इज इक्वल टू 3x is equal to 3 into 9 is equal to 27. Thank you.